Channel. I'm Sally and I run Didsbury Art Studio, and in today's video what I really fancy is do some bleach tie dyeing. Let's go. So I managed to get a couple of t-shirts. So the first one we're going to do is accordion flag folds. So you fold your t-shirt in half of it back, take this one forward, take the sleeve back, side, overlap that, fold over and make a triangle. Sponge technique, sort of bunch up the t-shirt. So for the next one, finish the middle and then the final one, do it in different ways. That's right in the way now. And that's my t-shirt. Take a jar. Okay, so half bleach, half water. So this was my red t-shirt. This one was the dusty pink one. So I think that came out really well. But it's kind of bleached completely in the middle. But it looks like a big splash has gone on. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.